How's it going, guys? Welcome to video 42 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CBO, which is campaign budget optimization, and manual bidding at the same time. So this is a little bit of an advanced feature. If you're just getting started, it's good to watch this, but you probably won't use this feature just yet, but it's good to know how it works and what it is and stuff like that. So before I jump into it, guys, if you're following along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and let's just jump into it. So if you've been following along, you've been seeing the ad sets and campaigns have been setting up the last couple of days. So it's just this one here. So I'm just going to jump straight back into it, and it looks like this. It's got the 3 ad sets in it, and let's say for an example, purchases went the best. So let's just delete these, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab purchases because that went the best. So we're going to use this as a manual bid. So we might have to go back to the campaign level, just edit this, and we could just go manual, just so I know it's a manual bid. And what we want to do is we want to come down here in this section here where it's got all the campaign bid strategy. It's going to be set on highest value, lowest cost as default, which is just automatic bidding. So what we want to do is we want to edit that, and we want to go to other options and bid cap. And then we go back to our ad set. And let's say our CPA is $7. We want to set the first bid at $7. So what we want to do is we want to come down here where we set the bid. It's automatically set at $7, so that's cool. Yours might not be. I don't know why. That's just a coincidence that it's set at $7. So the first one we're going to do is you're going to set the first one at $7, and we want to just come over to the ads. We just want to edit the ads as well. So $7. Okay, we've got the first one set up at $7 because that's our CPA. That's what we want to get per sale. But then what we want to do is we want to duplicate it. We want to set the second one at $14. So again, stroll down here, set the bid cap at $14, and again, just change the ads. So now they're all done. We want to go back, we want to duplicate it one more time. Go back to the ad set, duplicate it. We want to make this one 21. So you want to go up in whatever your CPA is. If your CPA is $15, then your second one would be 30 and the third one would be 45. 21. Probably easier to do it this way. And that's how we'd set up a CBO using manual bids. So you would have your CPA, whatever your CPA is, like cost per acquisition, you'd set that as your first manual bid, and then you just double it for the second one, and then you just obviously triple it for the third one. So hopefully that all makes sense, guys. Like I said, this is a very more advanced strategy, so you probably won't need this to start off with. And then there's actually another layer to this. So for an example, let's just say your $14 one went the best. You would turn these two off, and then you'll duplicate the $14 twice and just let that one run. And then that's another strategy. And then for another strategy, you would duplicate the campaign and then you'd take the $14 one and you'd go $2 each way. So you'd go, you'd set a $12 bid, you'd set a $16 bid, and you'd just see which one goes the best. So I won't get into that because you're probably not going to use it. So this is just a quick overview of how you do manual bidding with CBO. And that's it for this video, guys. On the next one, I'm going to show you how to set the minimum and maximum bids, minimum and maximum spends on the ad sets, because when you're doing manual bidding, sometimes Facebook will just spend all your money on this one because it's got the $21 bid. It's going to spend all your money on that and then not give these two any money. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you then. Thanks, guys.